Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll pop down, and you should see this release lever. So we pull that, that'll release the safety holding the hood shut. If you're having issues with this, double check that this cable's attached with a little tightness. If that cable's not attached, you'll need to address that. But now we'll head up to the front. And you should see it's slightly loose now. So we'll find the lever here. So this lever will pinch and lift. So pinch and lift. And we've got this arm we can use to hold it up. So I've got the arm here now. And then this is what that lever looked like I was pushing, which is moving this. So I double check nothing's bent or broken. If stuff's sticking, you might need to spray some WD-40 to loosen it. Up top here is where it was hooked onto. And then also double check your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.